it was recorded. You know what that means? I mean, everything else you record before is gone. So everything I just catch, literally, is like what they would worry about. And my thing was just off when these individuals tried to tow my car just now. This was off, not working. And I'm only get attacked when I said I have no eyes, no phones to record, no camera, and it just happened today. Well, it's after 12 now, so yesterday just happened a few minutes ago. No eyes, just got fixed. This is why the tow truck came behind me. This is why the tow truck guy came behind me, because this wasn't working, and they could tell him when it's not. Or you tell me why I don't have this kind of complaint, and only when I don't have eyes I would find this kind of complaint. You are a liar. You working for the dirty cops. Why you would have such question? Listen to me. Help your people. I'm sorry for you and your family.